Hey guys, in today's video I will tell you how much does Itchy Bots makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. First of all, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors, from where the video is watched, how long the video was watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. Okay, now let's take a look at the channel analytics. It has total of 809,000 subscribers and total 331 videos and 177 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. Now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly annually from YouTube? This channel get over 30,000 subscribers per month and over 6.9 million views per month. If we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $27,700. Multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they makes over $332,000 annually. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know earning of the other YouTubers, comment down their channel name and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.